Today we're going to talk about how to make a custom WordPress plugin. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off with a clean text file. Use TextEdit if you're on a Mac, Coda, or any other editor will do. This is a PHP project, so we must start the PHP. WordPress requires you to use a comment block. Without the comment block, your plugin will not work. So we're going to type in a couple of things to get started. We're going to type in the plugin's name. In this case, we're going to do test app. We're going to do a plugin description. And for the description, we're going to say test app that changes text in pages. We're going to do plugin version, and let's just put 1.0. We're going to do plugin author. That's going to be your name. Plugin URI. Now that is an I, it is not an L. It is important that you note that. And then you're going to plug in the path to where you're hosting it or where you have information on it. So for example. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is define a function. We're going to call it my function. We're going to make it a return for a text variable, and we will get started. We're going to give the text return a value of a string replacement. And what we're going to do is we're going to change out content on your page. So to do this, you would have to make a new page or a new post and just type in whatever you'd want to. For my example, I'm going to replace Matfire, comma, and then you're going to type in what you want to replace it with. I'm going to replace it with TGN Matfire in caps. And then you're just going to say number text to return the variable. And then of course you would have to do a return function, return text. Now that the coding part is done, we're going to have to add a filter. Filters add in hooks that WordPress uses. For example, we're going to add filter. We're going to say the underscore contents, and we're going to replace that with my function. What this does is anytime in a content frame, not the title, just the content, it will replace, anytime it finds Matfire, it will replace it with TGN Matfire. We're also going to add a separate filter to catch another hook called, conveniently, the title. What this does is it replaces any content in the title of the poster page. And again, we're going to do my underscore function. And for now, we're done. After you have named and saved your file, you're going to want to name it myplugin.php. Make sure it's not a text file. And then you're going to go into your WordPress folder. You're going to go into WP Contents, and you're going to go into Plugins. Do not worry about inserting it into a folder. Just copy and paste it in there. And then you're going to go to your WordPress administration page. You're going to go to Manage Plugins, and you should see